Introducing the all-new Hoover Floor-mate, the faster, easier, and cleaner way to clean all your hard surface sealed floors. Watch Floor-mate vacuum, wash, scrub, and even dry your floors. Floor-mate powerfully suctions up wet spills, washing and scrubbing, leaving floors clean and dry. The secret is Hoover's patented spin scrub technology with 6 powerful rotating brushes that scrub your floors. The Floor-mate has 2 tanks, one that puts down clean water and one that picks up the dirty water for a cleaner clean.
The very first time I used the Floor-mate, I loved it because I love that it's just a 3-in-1. Just made it so efficient. I wasn't taking out all these different things to clean my floors.
Before I had the Floor-mate, I used to have to vacuum, then there was the mopping, and then there was the drying. So there was several steps to this. Now with the Floor-mate, it's an all-in-one process, and it really has made my life a lot easier.
The Hoover Floor-mate makes cleaning hard surface floors easy, so don't miss out. Order right now.
I just leave the vacuum out so I can keep up with them. My cleaning day? It should be every day. What? I'm saving it for later.
With its long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the Hoover Linx Cordless Stick Vac helps you keep up with the messes as they happen, wherever they happen. And it's the only cordless stick vac with patented wind tunnel technology. The Linx Cordless Stick Vac from Hoover.
Hoover, nobody does it like you.